Hello friends, I am Suhas Bhusle. I would be discussing on two topics today, that is depression and stress management. I will talk about myself. I am an engineer and works for a corporate firm. During engineering days, I have faced lot of situations and challenges where stress played major role. The stress from childhood to grown up children and then to adulthood is part and play of life. Stress situation or challenge which when accepted and through flying color when problem is solved is an achievement. In depression, everyone that is in any situation gets depressed. Every individual get depressed due to many things and challenges faced, due to which many people go into negativity and commit suicide. I will be sharing my knowledge with you all, which will help everyone to tackle the stress and depression. What is depression? Depression is sadness, feeling of down, or even losing your interest in day to day activities. This is sheer cause of negativity for dealing any kind of specific challenges. If it persists and affect our lives substantially, the issue may be depression. Who can be affected by depression? So, depression can affect adults, adolescents, and can even affect children. Major life events such as loss of job, loan, blackmail, harsh agreement, loneliness can lead to depression. Depression can last for several weeks, months, or years. How to avoid such depressions? So, avoiding situations like negativity, cultivating this kind of situations into positivity, that means framing each and every negative impact which you are facing into positive effect. For that, if any negative things you deal with, you should take it in the positive way. By implementing these things into positive, you can rectify the problem, which will help you to avoid depression. So, if this problem through you by thinking positively is not rectifying, so you can approach your friends, families, colleagues, relatives, discuss this problem with them. So they will identify if any solution for this particular problem is there or not. After identifying the solution for this particular problem, you can implement that. Even to avoid depression, you can do meditation. Meditation is a kind of relaxation technique which will help you to get rid of the depression. What you have to do basically in meditation, you have to inhale deeply and exhale accordingly. So the inhalation technique which will help you would be a deep breath. It is like inhale one, two, three, four. Then again exhale it in this manner one, two, three, four. So in this manner you can relax your mind. You can get off from depression. Even meditating will help you to identify the rectification for your problem. This will definitely help you to avoid depression. Every problem has a solution. Impossible word says that I am possible, but people forget the same during depression. Negative thoughts needs to be completely avoided by thinking of loved ones who you care for. The extreme steps should never be taken which will cause all our near dear unhappy and sad. Thinking positively and talking to someone will help you to identify answer for your problem. Life is precious. Should not waste it. It's very important. So now we will go to our next topic that is related to depression. Now it is stress. So what is stress? Stress is a feeling of emotion or a physical tension. So it is just like depression, stress. Stress can be managed. Depression also can be managed. So how this stress happens? So when you feel frustrated, angry, or nervous at that particular event, stress happens. Stress is your body reaction to challenge or demand. In short burst, stress can be positive, such as when it helps you to avoid danger or meet a deadline. But when stress lasts for a long time, it may harm your health. What causes stress? Everybody has different kind of stress. Okay, but everyone goes through the same cycle of stress. Stress responds our body and demanding situations, and for that you have to be really tough to handle the situation. It causes hormonal, respiratory, cardiovascular, and nervous system changes. For example, stress can make your heartbeat faster, make you breathe rapidly, sweat and tense up. It can also give you a burst of energy. This is known as body fight or flight response. It's this chain reaction that prepares your body for physical reaction because it thinks it's under attack. This type of stress helped our human ancestors survive in nature during olden days. What are the type of stresses? So there are two types of stresses. Acute stress. These are short-term stress. Okay, so this stress is relieved, gets relieved very quickly. This can be fight between partners, between friends. It can be when you are driving a vehicle, you are in the steep slope. At that time, your mind identify that it is in danger. So accordingly, you control and make a way and manages the situation. So when you are driving a bike and you crosses a limit of 100, so at that time uh, you manage that particular situation and control it. So this is the acute stress. So chronic stress is a long remains for longer period of time. So it's basically a problem, unhappy marriage, trouble, all that. So this 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 stays for weeks, months, and it's a chronic stress. You can become so used to chronic stress that you don't realize it's a problem. If you don't find ways to manage stress, it may lead to healthy problem. Stress management tips. People can learn to manage stress and lead happier, healthier lives. Here are some tips to help you keep stress at bay. So keep your mind positive. Always think positive thoughts in your mind. Accept that there are events that you cannot control. There are many events which you cannot control, many events which you can control, which is there in your mind, in your hand. So you should think positively to tackle these kind of problems. Be assertive instead of aggressive. As- Assert your feeling, opinions, or belief instead of becoming angry, defensive, or passive. So, so sometimes you aggressively behave and you answer to elders. So you have to basically think about your feeling, opinions instead of getting angry. You should practice meditation yoga, which keeps your mind relaxed. You should exercise regularly, which helps us. Eat healthy diet. Learn to manage your time effectively. We have to set some limits, which the limit should not go beyond, as I told you about depression. So there related to each other. Make time for hobbies, interest, and relaxation. So you should take your time, enjoy the interest, singing, dancing, hobbies, stamp collecting, currency, note collection. So these kind of hobbies you can maintain and do relaxation. Use relaxation technique to relax your mind. Sleep for around 8 hours. Release your body from stress. Don't rely on alcohol, drugs, or compulsive behavior to reduce stress. Spend ample of time with your family. Support social causes. Even after going through these tips, if you don't find a solution for your problem, we will suggest you to attend a psychologist and get your health check, which will help you to get rid of this particular stress. Thank you friends for listening to me. Please do like my video and share it.